Hey everyone, welcome you again. Today I'm going to unbox a very unique product which I have never done in my channel, that is Tenda router. A router is typically a device which will allow the users to experience the Wi-Fi over internet, which means if you connect a LAN cable, which is an Ethernet cable, it will provide Wi-Fi, and it has multiple purposes. So as you can see, the basic example, basic image is shown backside of this box, and these are all some of these key features. It says its model number and something. At the bottom of this box, it has its manufacturer details and etc. So let us open this plastic wrap and see what else we get. And at last of this video, I will talk about the price to performance ratio and all. So stay tuned for that. So the packaging of this box was superb. As you can see, it was completely wrapped over plastic. So after removing the thin plastic film, we will get hands on our box itself. Even the box design was very simple and eye-catchy. Previously the same model number will come in a different type of box, which is not that much eye-catchy, but this is very attractive. After opening the box and pulling down that tray, we got this. We have installation guide and warranty information. Then the main device itself, this is the Tenda router. The model number of this router is N301, and also we got an CAT cable or Ethernet cable or RG cable, whatever you want to say. And this is the power adapter. As you can pause the video and see, the output of this is 9 volt and 1 amp, which is very less power, which will be no issues. So let's have a closer look on the router itself. So top side of this router is plain white in plastic and has its logo Tenda written on it, and it has two antenna. Each antenna is 5 decibel powers. So for 2.4 gigahertz of internet, which is very sufficient, and the antennas can be rotated in 360 degree. As you can see, we can rotate in anywhere as we record. And the bottom of this router has some of its user credentials like MAC number, and backside of this router has power input and 4 LAN cable adapters, which you can use it as an splitter, and one reset button. I want to tell you guys that this router doesn't has a WPS switch, so my user experience was amazing. I bought this router for Wi-Fi repeating purpose, because the router which come with the broadband company is not sufficient enough, so I need the Wi-Fi to be covered over all the house. So I use this, so it doesn't let me down, and the signal and the strength of this Wi-Fi is greater. So you can use that as a repeater, and also you can use it as an LAN with a LAN cable. You can use it as a normal router also. So that's it for now, guys. If you like my work, please share and subscribe. That's it for now. Thank you.